So I'm about to show you a quick workout, kind of like a whole body workout, something when you're pressed for time, you don't have a lot of time to do things. And I don't like the idea of doing 10, 12 different exercises. Everyone seems to have this idea of like trying to do every single exercise, which is at best not efficient and at worst. So I want to keep it to 4 exercises that I want you to do. You can do these for reps, time, or weight, depending on your balance and coordination level, what you think you can or can't do, but test yourself. First thing I would do in doing this, if I did it on a regular basis, if I had you do it on a regular basis, I would, or if you're doing it on your own, I would slowly but surely over time do 2, 3 to maybe 4 sets of each exercise, 8 to 10 reps, and gradually over time try to increase the weight. Try to get a little stronger at it first. Then, first before, maybe 1 or 2 of the exercises kind of lends themselves to being a faster, more like power type movement. But for the most part, I would try to get stronger in each movement, first and foremost. Then you can go in the direction of trying to do more and more reps with the same weight, trying to go faster between sets with a heavier weight, or faster with more reps and more weight, or just trying to go full out speed, like how fast can you do the move but do it correctly without losing balance and coordination. So it's going to be a challenge, but it should be a challenge, because if you're not challenging yourself, it's the old saying, easy doesn't work. We've done push press in the past, so this is going to be a variation of push press. We're going to do it with 1 dumbbell. So I'm going to keep 1 dumbbell here, get in a good position. I don't have to squat fully. You can. I don't have to. I'm just trying to get enough to get an impetus to blast that up. Blast it up. And then the other side. Probably the heavier you go, the deeper you're going to want to squat. These will be goblet squats. So get in a comfortable position, play with your footing, see what allows you to get down the deepest. As a general rule, wherever your feet point, that's where you want the knees to travel. You don't want them to bend inwardly or outwardly. Try to keep this up. Keep yourself upright. Going to do some kettlebell swings. Single arm. So a little more of a balance challenge to it. It may be even more of a balance and coordination challenge just to be trying to swing this thing. But go as slow as you need to, but try to do the same movement pattern. You swing between your legs, pop it up. Pop it up. Just let the momentum, let it ride up. I'm not actively trying to raise it with my shoulder. I'm just letting the momentum of the hip thrust bring it up. All right, last thing I'm going to do is a dumbbell clean and press. You can do it with barbell, dumbbell, single dumbbell. We've done these before. Basically, show you from the side first. I'm going to bend over. You don't need to go all the way down. Keep it flat back. I'm going to use the momentum. Bring them up. Launch these overhead. Come down. Over time, and as you get better at it, and you feel more coordinated, you start going faster. Down. Straight overhead. So the exercises I just demonstrated to you, it's a quick workout. Simplicity is key. Quality over quantity. So if you like this video, please like it. We hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.